Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Friday, for the whole day, the market displayed consolidation activity. Although the market has retreated from 17,900 levels, we saw strong refusal around 17,700 levels. The bulls appear to have taken a diplomatic stance ahead of the weekend, placing the market in a narrow trading range. Today, at the dismissal of 17,950, we can see the levels of 18,050, 18,150 or 18,200 levels where it has resistance in terms of call writing. On the other hand, the trend will be critical below the levels of 17,580 and break below it will fall to the levels of 17,350 or 400 levels. The focus should be on technology companies in the current week. It is advisable to reduce week long position if we see the market is start achieving to the levels of 18,150 or 200 levels. Also, we need to be more careful when adding long positions above or around 18,200 levels. So it is better to stay away from taking any specific long positions close to 18,200 levels. We are of the view that current move is nothing but pullback to the recent sell-off. The pullback is extending because of some specific news flow, and it is positive, and it is something which is always we see in the market. Whenever there is a decent sell-off, we see a strong pullback, equally strong pullback in the market, and similar sort of pattern that we are witnessing right now. Yes, there are specific news flow in the market, like global markets are doing well. Dollar index, which was around 96.25, is now started trading around 95.75. Currency, which was around 76.25, and there was fear that it will cross 77 mark, is currently trading at 74.50, 74.60, and metal stocks or commodities have started again doing well. So all these things are supporting to the market. FIs are buying in the market since last almost 10 days, and they are net buyers for more than 1,000 crores during the week. So all these specific news flow supporting to the market, and that is the reason we are seeing market is very close to its psychological mark of 18,000, but there we need to be careful as it's a pullback. Yes, in case if we see the market is crossing 18,600 in next few days or maybe after the announcement of the budget, then it will change the trend completely. But at current levels, we are of the view that we need to be careful, and we may see some consolidation sort of activity from 18,200 levels. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.